Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Shaibu don't beg all car owners say make them put their car for good condition, especially their brake system before them drive for road. Oga Shaibu talked this one when him and the Commissioner of Roads and Bridges Honorable Ethan Zameri carry waka go Ovia River Bridge for Ovia North-East Local Government Area of Edo State, go do check for the bridge wey don't by many people, especially since the rain started this year. As they reach the bridge, they come meet another accident wey involve one trailer, one Sienna and one Lexus car, where one lady come dey trap inside the Sienna for the middle of the bridge. For the Sienna wey enter inside of Ovia River, Oga Shaibu come quickly transfer 1.5 million naira to the leader of the drivers, say make them rush enter the river to save the people wey dey inside the Sienna. Oga Shaibu come still quickly mobilize locals and passerby, make them quickly rescue the woman wey dey trapped for inside the Sienna, and after much effort, they come fit bring out the woman alive and come rush her go hospital for treatment. For in talk with Tori people, Oga Shaibu come talk say the road need permanent solution and the state government go immediately carry out palliative measures as them do already contact Levant Construction Company for solution.
I think the best thing to do here, I have the Commissioner for Road and Bridges here, and putting heads together, it's obvious that there's need for a lot of signs to show that maybe speed breaks that are not that dangerous to an express road, because speed break too can be a problem of its own. So I think the technical people will have to check. This needs a permanent solution, not just a temporary solution. You can see we are here, another one is just happening there. And the trucks majorly are the major problems here. They are all failing brakes at that hill. Apart from the potholes and the water on the bridge, you can see that they are failing brakes immediately get to that turn. So we need to just find a technical people to look at what is right for this road to have a permanent solution, because since I was in the House of Assembly, we've been moving motion about this Ovia River Bridge. So it's not something that is new. So now it's not just palliative, it's permanent solution we have to look at, and the technical people have to come in. The state government already had Levant on this road, and with what I just heard from the Levant man now, they need to drill. I think the water exit point was blocked when they did those pavement. So they need to first open up that the middle of the bridge to get the water to exit. And that's why the water is gathering on the bridge. Then the other one is to fix the holes, which the state government is already looking at, because those white men and that you just saw there now, they are Levant Construction Company. So they are just giving me their own preliminary review of what they feel we should do immediately. So I think I was with the Federal Ministry of Works. As we speak, the controller and them, they are having a meeting on the issue of this road, which was prompted by my meeting with them last Friday. So I can bet that we have to we'll deal with the palliative one now, but the critical thing moving forward is the permanent solution, which have to do with exit point of this water and how we can reduce the speed, especially from these trucks, because the trucks are the major problem here.
Some of the victims we talk to Tori people contact say,
heading for Lagos last 2 hours. So we got to the beginning, that's the end of the hill. So we took the trailer, and the guy with his height, based on where he's sitting, he saw everything. He saw that there were vehicles here trying to negotiate this water, like about 15 or 20 vehicles. Then the man refused to stop. He just came and just started climbing vehicles. He has flipped some inside the water. I can't tell the number. Like Sienna vehicles, 2 or 3 with fully loaded. So it's for the government to come. At least this water is just a minor thing. Government can come here, just reopen the outlets, then resurface the road. It doesn't take anything. A day job can finish the whole of this. But lives are going. Last week, 11 people were evacuated from truck. Today, another truck. I was driving this Lexus. If not God, I won't be here talking to you. Look at the government seat. How many meters away from this point? It's not fair. They should extend this thing to the Director of Federal Highways, or the federal government, the senators here, or House of Rep members. They should come to the aid of the people passing here. This is too much. The lives that have gone will not come back.
We are business women. This is our first time coming to Lagos. She said she wants to do the same business with me. I said, okay, let's go, so that we'll push you through, instead of you buying wholesale from me. So that is the reason she go with me today. I saw it when the Tiana entered the river.
On his way back, the Chief Medical Director, Dr. Darlington Obaseki, come receive Oga Shaibu as in carry waka come see the accident victims for the emergency ward for UBTH. From Benin City, A. Carter Ojesili, TMC TV News.